Welcome to the AOC E1659FWU and I1659FWU setup tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to quickly set up your AOC USB 3.0 portable monitors. Let's get started. First, install the DisplayLink USB driver to enable video transmission using USB 3.0. Next, we'll show you how to connect your monitor to your computer. Inside the box, you'll find your AOC USB 3.0 portable monitor and a USB-A to USB-A cable. One end of the USB cable has one connector and the other end has two connectors. The one with one connector attaches to the monitor and the one with two connectors attaches to the computer. The thicker cable on the one that attaches to the computer is the main connector, and the second connector with thinner cable is used if additional power is needed. Most computers will only need the main connector. Connect the USB cable with one connector to the monitor. Then connect the other end to your computer. This will supply power and video signal to the monitor. Finally, press the power button on your computer to turn it on. Your AOC USB 3.0 portable monitor should now light up and display an image. And there you have it. Your AOC USB 3.0 portable monitor is now ready to use. Enjoy the flexibility and extra screen wherever you go.